Now, let's see what the slope of a line joining 2 points is, and what are parallel and perpendicular lines, and how they can be related to each other by the gradient. Okay, now let's see how you can find out the slope of a line joining 2 points. If a non-vertical line, so basically m must not be equal to infinity, a non-vertical line, let's say it's the line L, with an inclination of alpha, passes through 2 points P and Q, then the slope or the gradient of the line L is given by this or this, right? So let me explain what this means. Say you have this coordinate axis, right? And say you have this line over here. Okay, this is this is the point P, right? And this is the point Q, right? P has x1 as its x value and y1 as its y value. Q has x2 as its x value and y2 as its y value, right? And its inclination is simply this angle here, right? Let's say it's alpha. Now you can find out the gradient of this line PQ by this formula, right? Say y2 is, well, let's say it's 5, and let's say x2 is 4. Let's say x1 is -4 and y1 is -5. Okay, then you can find out m, the gradient of PQ, by subtracting y2 and y1. So 5 minus -5, 5 minus -5, and dividing it by the difference of x2 and x1. So 4 minus -4. Well, that would be equal to 10 over 8, right? Which is equal to 5 by 4. And that is the gradient of PQ. Or you can find out the value of this angle and take its tangent to get the value of the gradient as well. All of these will be equal. Now let's see how parallel and perpendicular lines are related to each other. If you have a line L1 and you have a line L2 with their respective slopes as M1 and M2, these two lines will be parallel if and only if they have an equal gradient. Okay? And they will be perpendicular if and only if M1 is equal to the negative reciprocal of M2, or M1 into M2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you have, say, this line over here, and if you have this line over here, they will be perpendicular if and only if the gradient of this line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the gradient of this line. Okay,